We had a detailed meeting with my officers from the corporation, MECL, along with the CMD and then the directors of the MECL. We discussed all the details about the issue of load shedding. So today in the meeting we decided therefore that load shedding will be lifted from today midnight, and we will try our best that load shedding will no longer be there even in the future, in the near future, in the state of Meghalaya. See why we have to take this unpleasant decision to go for load shedding for 4 hours a day. I think you are all aware the units that we have has broken halfway, and then I'm happy to tell you that now out of 4 units, 2 units now is fully restored, and 1 unit from OTPC also has been restored, and 1 unit also from NIPCO, it has been restored. Therefore, ultimately, after calculating all the requirement in terms of million units, so we decided today to lift the load shedding with effect from today midnight in the state of Meghalaya.